Greetings. Welcome to OKS Stamping Zone. I would like to send a warm welcome out to my new subscribers and thank you to those that's been hanging out with me thus far. Today's video is a project share video from my Creator Card Crafter's Companion subscription box number 4. As you know, if you watched my previous video, I did a tutorial on box number 5 and what came in box number 5. There was a reason why we received box number 5 before 4, because there was an issue with the stamp set in box number 4. A lot of people were complaining that they did not receive box number 4 as of yet, which would have been October's box, I think. We in October, September. I think this was September's box. I don't know, whichever box it's supposed to be. But it didn't come when it was supposed to come. And we have it now. And the reason why it was slow was because they had to correct the stamp. And basically this is what this is telling you. A stamp needed to be corrected. And that's why the box was big. That's why the box was late, because something was misspelled in the kit. And they apologized for it and everything. And you end up, I'm going to show you, before I show you what's in the kit, what it is, let me take the stamp out. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this, but I have some white cardstock. Yeah. I'm going to put it on a white cardstock. Where are you at? Right here where it says you are beautiful inside and out. That was the error. Okay. You're like you are. It's just supposed to be you are beautiful inside and out. And this is the corrected one. So that's what the problem basically was. And that's why you received this box late. However, you get this stamp set in the box. I'm going to show you everything that comes in the kit. I'm not going to do a tutorial. I am going to show you my project. And if you subscribe and hit the notification button, you will be notified when I actually come and do the tutorial. So after this video, I will be doing a tutorial on how I use this kit. So right now I'm just going over what's in the kit. So you get this stamp set here. And it's actually cardstock behind this. It's a nice stamp set. Okay, and this is what was corrected. You get these cards. And I think you get to make 3 different cards. I'm not sure. This box actually came. This is a regular 6x6 card with the envelopes. You get that. You get the stamp set. Excuse me from the light. You have the ribbons and your pearls. Beautiful colors. And you get 3 different sizes of the ribbon. And it came actually last Monday. But I didn't get to play with it until that Thursday. And I did do a project, but I already gave that project the way I created it Thursday and gave it away on Friday. One of my co-workers' mother-in-law passed, and I did a sympathy card for her using this kit. And I already gave her the card, but if you stick around at the end of the video, I will put a picture of that card at the end of this video. Okay, so you get these ribbons, get the pearls. Okay, this is your acetate, because it is a creator card. You get these 4x4 cards. It's supposed to be a stand-up card that's supposed to go like this. Now I actually did this card here, but I didn't use this size. I used 4 1/4 by 4 1/4, and that's going to be my project that I showed you guys. I didn't use that one. This is your creator card die. The inserts, different colors of paper that goes with the card start. You get some nice colors in here. So these are the colors that you receive. Am I missing a color? I know I already played with it, and I did do a card. And the 2 projects that I'm going to show you now. Okay, Then this is another card base and envelopes. And this was actually the card that I made and gave away. This is like a box card folded like this. And like I said, this is not a tutorial, guys. And this, you have the top and the bottom. It's not a tutorial. I'm just showing you what came in the box. Like I said, I will come back and do a tutorial on these cards and show you my creations. This is a larger stand-up card. The base. And the same thing, it's just like the 4x4 that I actually showed you. Okay, and that's the base. So this is the 6x6 version of that one. Okay. These are the boxes that come in here because you get to create a box as well. And these are the different papers. As you can see, like I said, I was already playing with some scraps at the bottom. I'm saving these pieces here because I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do with these. And if you have this kit, let me know what you're doing with these pieces here. Okay, this is a flower I made using some of the dies that come in that kit. And here are the dies. And then we'll go back to the paper. A little. We do get flowers. Okay. I was anxious to receive this box for the simple fact that I have a lot of Crafted Companions creator card dies and just haven't used them yet. And I think I had them over a year. Tuesday morning had a lot of them and they were like really dirt cheap, and I bought all the holiday ones. So I will be sharing that with you guys. So this is the cardstock that's in here. Okay, pretty colors. Just gonna go through them. This is what you get. You can actually use those for Christmas, those colors. And this is, I have a project I'm gonna share with you guys. This is actually my color that I'm using for Christmas. But this is what you get. Butterflies, flowers, butterflies, flowers. And I'm saying that for a reason. Butterflies and flowers. So far, I love everything. I love each kit. And I get the kits. I can't say what everybody else is doing. I'm getting the kits because I just want to learn the technique, because I have a lot of Crafted Companions materials. I do. I have a lot. And I want to learn how to use what I have. So I basically get the kit for the technique and for the goodies. I like their stuff. Okay, I do. Now, I'm put all this back in the box. That's everything that came in this kit. And put everything back and show you guys actually what I created, the two kits that I created. Now, depending on when this video go up, which will be tomorrow, is Boss's Day. If you don't know, tomorrow is Boss's Day. If you work in an office environment, then you do know tomorrow is Boss's Day. So I did create my project based off of Boss's Day for tomorrow. Okay, so this is project number 1, and this is the box that you actually receive in the kit. And this probably still a little wet, And I can see right here where it's kind of look a little funny right here. This is it. This is the box, and I punched a little opening here on the sides so the recipient could open it a little bit easier, my supervisor. So basically what I did was, as you can see, this is the creator card die here in the middle, and I just turned it. Okay, now this flower did not come with it. This was in the box number 2. Box number 2, I think, because this is 4. I have 5, 3. So yeah, I think this was box number 2. These flowers came in box number 2. So I used these flowers and these dies from that kit to create this flower. Okay, the flower was from the current kit. And this is the creator card. And this is, you receive this in the box. And these are the goodies that I put in the inside. Okay. So, I mean, I love it. I love it. I love these kits. I really do. And I'm going to use all my supplies. So that's project number 1. And this is project number 2. Using the creator card die. Okay. It's supposed to stand up. Now, the way I'm having this stand up, I hope you guys can see. You see the leaf right here? I just kind of sit it right there and it stands up. Okay. And this is the card that was created using that creator card die. Okay. You close it down. You close it down like that. But hopefully the person won't close it down. I'm going to sit it on their desk. We already have another card. I was asked to do this card. Well, asked to do a card. My coworkers know I do this, so they asked me to do one. So this is actually how it's going to be presented to her, sitting on her desk, and I think that is very cute. So I want to thank you guys for taking the time out your day to spend with me. I do appreciate it. Once again, hit the like and the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a video. This is what came in subscription box number 4, creator card die. This is my project share for you guys. I will be doing a tutorial how I created this box and this card and different cards with other creator card dies that I actually have. So if you're interested in seeing those videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that way you'll be notified when I upload videos. Also, starting in November, I'm actually going to be giving away kits myself from the creator card kits that I received to some of my subscribers, but I will be giving you information about that as we get closer to it. So if you're interested in receiving some of the materials that I receive each month, your own kit that I will be sharing my kit with you to give you things that you create as well. Subscribe and hit like if you would, and I do appreciate you taking the time out your day to spend with me. And that should be it. Have a good one. Catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.